Do you know Sadaf?
Yes.
Who is Sadaf? Sadaf is our boss. Okay. So right now Sadaf is going to describe his family. Sadaf, are you ready for that? Yes. Say to me yes.
Yes.
Okay, please you can start right now, please.
Hello everyone, how are you?
I'm bright and shiny.
I'm also bright and shiny. Now I'm going to describe my family.
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 ফ্যামিলি না বলে আমরা বলবো ফ্যামিলি।
Family.
আমাকে ভালো করে শুনো, তারপর তুমি বলার চেষ্টা করো আমি কিভাবে বলছি। ফ্যামিলি।
Family.
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 Okay. How many members are there in your family? There are.
There are 4 members in my family.
Okay.
They are my father, mother, and my younger sister,
Yes, exactly. Okay then.
and me.
Good.
My father's name is Jushimuddin. He is a businessman.
Very nice.
My mother's name is Suhaila Shua. She is a homemaker. My sister's name is
What's your sister's name? তোমার বোনের নাম কি?
Sheja.
সেজা বলো। My sister's name is সেজা।
My sister.
শুধু সেজা, ফুল নেমটা জানো না তুমি?
Mhm.
জানো না? আচ্ছা ওকে। My sister's name is সেজা।
My sister's name is Sheja. She is just
A baby.
a baby.
Just a baby.
Just a baby.
Okay.
I'm Sadaf Shivar.
You can call me Sadaf.
You can call me Sadaf. I am a student of class 1.
Good.
I love
My school's names.
my school name is Wisdom Global School.
Wisdom Global School.
Wisdom Global School.
Okay, then.
I love my wonderful family. That's all about my family. Thank you.
Very nice. Oh my God. সাদা শিখেছিস আজকে? দেখেছো আজকে সাদা কি ভালো করেছে?